Hey folks, this is Ashley Jones with Big Sister Knows. I'm over at my in-laws house this weekend. We are getting some new pictures of this old cast iron stove for my book Modern Cast Iron, and I thought I would give you a sneak peek at how neat and special this cast iron stove really is. You can see it's your standard cast iron stove at first glance, but what makes it neat is how it's been modified. Robbie's grandfather actually drilled 2 holes in this. If you can see this, if you want to get a little closer. 2 holes in this so he could put some piping through it, and then when they would light the fire on the bottom, it would heat the pipes and he would allow water to come through it. There would be a spigot outside and the water would heat inside, and then it would come out and then go into the house. And so when they needed hot water, they could turn on the spigot, heat the water, and it would go into a storage tank. So this was Robbie's grandfather's hot water heater for a while, and then it worked so well they used a bigger cast iron stove later on. So I think it's ingenious, and I still don't know how we got the holes into this thick cast iron, so that will remain a mystery. But I thought you'd appreciate a sneak peek. So thanks for taking a look. See you soon.